Welcome to JLC Live 2026, directly from Providence, Rhode Island. As you know, AdvantageLumber.com has always been your go-to national dealer for tropical hardwoods. Everything to decking, railing, rain screen, ceilings, and even deck tiles. And it wouldn't be a tropical hardwood Advantage booth without the Deckwise fasteners. This year, we're taking all our great products and services from our exterior collection into inside of the house. Come with me. All right, here we are, AdvantageLumber.com interior collection. Let's start with our flooring. We have everything from a classic Brazilian cherry to more of a traditional oak, a really modern Brazilian pecan. And if you're up for a wild ride, here's your Purple Heart. And if you want to stand out, we have Tigerwood, those really unique stripes, and of course, our Plantation Teak, really a standout product. Now, to complement our over 100 SKUs of tropical hardwood flooring, we'll have our trim wall products. Everything from our base, crown, shiplap for your project. And as always, at AdvantageLumber.com, your project is our inspiration. See you next time.